My name is Jeremy Mansfield. I am the operations manager for BogHog BOBCAT Services Incorporated here in Hollywood, Florida. BogHog is an excavation company that does land clearing, lot clearing, site preparation. My favorite outdoor power tool is the chainsaw. BogHog BOBCAT uses the DEWALT 60V chainsaw in indoor and outdoor applications. And we have not only light demo of buildings, but we have demo of vegetation. Yeah, I have 30+ years of using chainsaws, and I have swapped completely over to FLEXVOLT. I have the same amount of run time, the same amount of power. It's instantaneous, and I'm not waiting for the engine to cycle up. I would recommend FLEXVOLT over any other competitor for one reason: freedom. Freedom from the gasoline and freedom from the cord.